In this lesson, students will learn how to execute Python scripts using various environments, including the command line interface and integrated development environments, IDEs, like PyCharm and Jupyter Notebook. We'll cover the basic syntax of Python scripts, how to execute them from the terminal, and the importance of file organization. Additionally, students will gain hands-on experience by writing and running simple scripts. By the end of the lesson, learners will feel confident in executing Python code effectively. By the end of this lesson, learners will understand multiple methods of executing Python scripts on various platforms. We'll begin by executing Python scripts from the command line, which offers a quick and efficient method for script execution. Next, we'll learn how to launch Python scripts from an IDE, for example, PyCharm, a popular robust coding and debugging option. Lastly, we'll cover launching Python scripts using Jupyter Notebook, which is ideal for data analysis and experimentation. In this lesson, students will explore launching Python scripts using the command line interface, a CLI. We'll begin by ensuring Python is installed. By the end of this lesson, students will be equipped to efficiently run Python scripts directly from the command line. To write a Python script using a text editor, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a simple text editor like Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for macOS. Step 2. In the editor, start by writing your Python code. For example, write print hello world wrapped in double quotes and enclosed in parentheses. Step 3. Save the file with the Python extension, for example, hello.py. Save the script as all files in an easily accessible location. Finally, to launch a Python script from the command line, type the Python command followed by the script's file name, press Enter. This will execute the script showing the output in the terminal. To launch Python scripts using PyCharm, first open the application and create a new project by selecting New Project, choosing a location, and configuring the Python interpreter. Next, right-click on the project folder, select New Python file, and name the file, for example, hello.py. Lastly, write your Python code in the editor. Launch the script by right-clicking in the code editor and selecting Run Script, or by clicking the green play button in the top right corner. The output will appear in the Run window at the bottom of the interface, allowing you to view results easily and troubleshoot as needed. To launch Python scripts using Jupyter Notebook, you'll first need to install the program using a terminal or command prompt. Once the program has been installed, you can start it by typing Jupyter Notebook at the terminal and pressing Enter, which will open the Jupyter interface in your default web browser. Ensure you are using a non-root account to launch Jupyter, otherwise, the program will not launch. Navigate to the desired directory and click New in the top right corner, then select Python 3 to create a new notebook. Type your Python code into the empty cell. You can run each cell by clicking the Run button or pressing Shift plus Enter. The script's results will appear directly under the cell. You can also save the code and outputs in your notebook for future reference. This setup allows for interactive coding, making testing and visualizing your Python scripts easy. By mastering these methods, learners can execute Python scripts in different environments, automating workflows and improving productivity. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the command line or the feature-rich environment of an IDE, understanding these techniques equips you with flexibility in executing Python scripts. Thanks for watching.